How to use Screencastify with Wakelet. Wakelet and Screencastify have teamed up to allow you to upload your videos straight to your collections. There are 3 ways to do this. If you don't already have Screencastify, head to your browser's plugin store and install Screencastify. Next, click the extension and sign into your Google account. You need to sign into a Google account as Screencastify automatically saves new videos in Google Drive. Next, head to Wakelet and go to Settings. Click Apps and click Connect with Screencastify. Click the extension again and click OK. This makes it so that all videos made with Screencastify can be easily saved to Wakelet. Let's try this out. To make a new video, click Record, and we're now recording a video of our screen. To stop recording, click Pause and click End Recording. You now need to sign into your Google Drive. Click Save, and you can now save your new video to either your items area or directly to a collection.